Welcome to the JIANMENG CNC press brake operation demo. First, power on the machine, and wait for the control system to start up. Once the system is ready, tap New and select Graphic Programming. Enter the product name and customer name. Next, select the material type and enter the sheet thickness and length. Tap Next. Draw the workpiece profile according to the drawing and adjust the dimensions as required. After confirming the parameters, tap Next. Select the appropriate upper and lower dies. Then tap Next and choose Automatic Bending Sequence Generation. The system will automatically generate the bending sequence. Review each bending step to ensure the sequence is correct. Once everything is confirmed, tap Next to enter the machining interface. Select Automatic Mode. Start the hydraulic pump. Then press Start. The machine will automatically perform the homing process. After homing is completed, the back gauge will automatically move to the position for the first bending step. Place the sheet metal against the back gauge. Press the foot pedal. The upper punch moves down to complete the first bend. Measure the bending angle with an angle gauge. As you can see, the bending angle is exactly 90 degrees, meeting the required specification. Next, follow the 2D graphic displayed on the screen to reposition the workpiece and complete the remaining bending steps. After all bending operations are finished, let's take a look at the final workpiece. The finished part features accurate dimensions and excellent bending quality. This concludes the JIANMENG CNC press brake graphic programming demonstration. Thank you for watching.
JIANMENG